it's me, Kira. Hi, hello, hi. So today in this video I'm doing by Tash again, and we are going to be doing a hair tutorial, actually space buns. How many are we doing? One or two? Two different space buns, two different styles, and yeah, so I'm at the front and Tash is actually going to be taking this video over. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope this angle's like okay. It's our first time doing a hair tutorial and we have no clue what we're doing, and we actually have taped an eyeshadow palette to the wall so we can see the mirror. We can use the mirror to see the viewfinder to then see us. Yeah, it's a bit complicated. Yeah, go check out my Instagram because I put a photo of our setup on there. So take it away, Tash.
Right, so I will be doing space buns. First of all, we need to make sure. Wait, am I in shot? No. We need to make sure that you have a. Wait. I don't know how to do it.
Centre parting.
Yeah, centre parting. So I do it in line with the names. Right, just brush your hair. Not too far over.
As you can see, you need to get it perfect.
Yeah, I'm a perfectionist. So yeah. This one, I'll just do it in a twist. And with the other one, I'll be doing a plait. I need to try and remember if I do it in the same way.
So what did you do? So you twisted the hair and now you're just wrapping it around?
Yeah, just twisting it and wrapping.
Cool.
Get another hair ball and wrap it around and shake your head. So I feel like it's coming out.
Actually, that's pretty tight.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Right, there's one done. Then get the other monstrosity to do a plait. I feel like these are quite like cute.
Yeah.
I need to try and do.
I need to do. You can do the same thing, but only like half your hair. You know what I mean? So you section it.
Yeah.
In half.
I sometimes do that, like every day. Day to day.
I sometimes do that, like every day.
Yeah. I just realised what I said. Oh, whoopsie daisy. I'm not the best at doing plaits in other people's hair.
Really?
Can you get a little hair bubble like that, please?
Little one?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Get me hot. I've got my hair up as well. Whoa, that midget! That way. Right. Try and remember to put your plaits into the same way you did the other one.
Same direction.
Yeah, same direction. That's it. And then get another hair bubble and then tie it. I feel like I've done quite good.
Yeah.
So I'm not usually that good on other people's hair. That needs to go underneath. That needs to go underneath. There we go. Oh, we've got a bit of a tuft.
I can't see it. Oh yeah.
I think that one's a lot
You could
better.
bobby pin that in.
Oh yeah, bobby pin. Bobby pin. Have you got any small ones? Or you've only got
There's some in here. I don't know how big these are. They're a bit smaller.
Oh yeah, they're smaller. I'll try them.
I do like our little mirror.
Yeah.
Honestly, you guys go check out my Instagram to see our setup. Because it's hilarious.
That's alright actually, like that.
Yeah?
Yeah. Have a look.
Cute. Oh my god, I've never seen myself with space buns before. I've literally never had space buns.
Haven't you?
No.
I love
that's
I love
cute.
doing them to myself. Oh, thanks for that. Oh my god.
That's not too bad.
I mean, I think you look alright in space buns, you know.
So that is how to do 2 different types, plaited and twisted.
Yeah, twisted, yeah.
Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you Tash for doing the tutorial today. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed my video and if you want more videos that have Tash in. And don't forget to subscribe. 5 more subscribers, was it?
It's 5, I think.
Yeah, 5 more subscribers until I hit 400, which, wow.
That's amazing, honestly.
It really is, I can't believe it, really.
Yeah.
So, yeah, maybe depends if we decide to do another video. Might be or it might just be me. We'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you, bye!
Right, is that it?
Yeah, that's good. Cut!